Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny. How are you?
Lily, I'm doing fantastic. How you doing?
I'm doing great. What are we making?
We are making a Spinach Florentine Quiche today. So we're gonna start with 4 eggs. Whisk up the eggs, okay?
Okay.
Cheese is going in. We're gonna add a little bit of heavy cream to this now. Lily, you wanna start whisking?
Yeah,
Can you do that?
Sure.
We're gonna do a pinch of nutmeg. Now we're gonna take our spinach. We're gonna mix that in, we're gonna incorporate it. So we have our pre-baked pie shell here right now for our quiche. So that's gonna all go in. We got some nice Roma tomatoes. We're just gonna slice nice. Tomatoes love salt.
Love salt.
We'll season this. Now we got goat cheese over here.
I love goat cheese.
Lily, this is a cheese wire. Watch this, here we go, right here. Nice slices of cheese, look at that.
Stop it.
Nice and easy. We're just gonna go around and around. We're gonna throw that in the oven. This is gonna go in 350 for like a half an hour. Here we are with that beautiful quiche Florentine.
That's a good looking quiche.
Look at that, right? And then just to serve it up, we got a little bit of mesclun greens. We got a house vinaigrette, all right? So that's gonna go here right on the side of the plate. There's your quiche Florentine, Lily.
Beautiful.
For all the moms out there.
I think I'm going to try this one. If you'd like to also, head to news12.com and you'll find the recipe there. Vin, thank you.
My pleasure as always.